Forecast.
And we start with this beautiful morning view from Warren Fault, high up top Skyline Drive, looking westward toward Massanutten this morning. Of course, you can see the resort there with the slopes, and yeah, a nice shot this morning. We have a lot of clouds that have been in place throughout the course of the day. There's our view right now from the Charlottesville camera, and we did still have a mild day across the region. 55, our daytime high right now holding at 51. Air mass is still relatively dry. It'll still be several more hours before we really start to see some rainfall. 55 also the high at the Valley Airport today, currently 47, and most locations here across central Virginia still in the low 50s and generally some mid to upper 40s along the 81 corridor in the Shenandoah Valley, and it's 37 on the mountain at Wintergreen. Here tonight then, clouds in place, periods of rain developing, some areas of fog, and most of us overnight will see temperatures in the mid to lower 40s. Now, best chance of rain is late tonight, very early tomorrow, and then we're still left with a fair amount of clouds, but we should still see temperatures tomorrow in the upper 50s to near 60, so still a mild day considering our average daytime high now is right near 50 degrees. So we'll have some milder days here as we go through Tuesday and Wednesday. Now, much of Wednesday could be a dry day for us. It's really late Wednesday evening, Wednesday night. We start to see some maybe heavier showers, maybe a thunderstorm. That's in association with a stronger cold front, and that will certainly kick up the wind and drive colder air in our direction here for Thursday. So it will be turning windy, and it'll be much colder here for the late week, but a couple more mild days ahead. Overall rainfall amounts aren't all that impressive, generally about or approaching half an inch or so, and that really taking us into late Wednesday night across the region. Things are quiet now on NBC29's exclusive dual pole triple Doppler radar. Throughout much of the day, most of the action's been well to our south and west, and more rain will start to overspread the region, but you really have to go down 81 and down toward Interstate 77 and really start to run into some steadier rain, and eventually that will be pushing in our direction here tonight into early on Tuesday. The main storm system is still to our west. It'll be lifting up through the Ohio Valley. It will tap in some colder air for the late week. Not that this is bitterly cold, but it'll pull down even colder air from western Canada. So currently at the jet stream level, we have a little ridge in place, and that's still promoting some milder temperatures. But this next storm will help pull in a dip in the jet stream or a trough, and that will aid more in the way of storminess and allow that colder air to filter in really starting Thursday. It'll be with us Friday and at least into the start of the weekend. So it will be turning colder, winter returning once again. So here we are tonight, late tonight, early tomorrow morning, best chance of rain. That kind of tapers off as we go into the early morning hours. Then we're left with a lot of clouds here for Tuesday, upper 50s to near 60. And then much of Wednesday could be dry for us. We'll start in the 40s and we'll have a little bit of sunshine, but then late in the afternoon, more likely Wednesday night, we'll watch a quick moving line of showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder come through, and then windy conditions on the backside of that system and certainly colder for the late week. Tonight then, periods of rain developing late, some areas of fog, most of us in the low to middle 40s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, still a couple mild days here for Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperature Wednesday either side of 60, and then those temperatures come crashing back down here for Thursday into Friday, but drier conditions. Right now, Saturday looks to be the coldest day of the stretch before temperatures start to rebound as we get into first days of March. Hard to believe.
Yes, it
Almost
is.
spring.
Calendar rolling along.
Thanks, Eric.
Thank you.